Hello, what's up, guys? Okay, so I believe today I'm thinking of giving you a different tutorial. It's actually about data recovery related to the malware attack. Yeah, so I'm giving you a short tutorial about how to recover your data once you have got the attack or once you got attacked by the malware. Okay, now I prepared Kali Linux, specially created with several tools. Yeah, so here I'll be showing you the nested virtualization that I use to do malware analysis. So I'm giving you the what do you call this explanation on how to actually do the recovery. So let's look at the step by step. So step number one, this is actually not the first step. It's just like what you should actually do when you got attacked. Yeah. So let me show you. Hang on for a while. So I'll launch VirtualBox. Yeah. So I'm actually running VMware workstation version 16. And within my Kali, I also run VirtualBox. So this is called nested virtualization, where you can actually run multiple virtualization technologies. So I have Windows XP and Ubuntu desktop. So I'll just start this one. I'm actually running Windows XP on Ubuntu. On Oracle VM VirtualBox. Yeah, I mean the VirtualBox itself. Yeah. So I'll just start this once again. Yeah. So it starts with my Windows XP that is purposely set up for the lab or for the demonstration. So I use Windows XP due to some reasons. Like for example, I'm going to test the malware called WannaCry. Okay. So this is my Windows XP. Yeah. Now I will need to run the uh, what do you call this, the shared folder. Yeah, so I'll be using this double backslash vbox svr to access my shared folder. So this is actually on my desktop of Kali, which is download. Okay, see this one. So I'm accessing it from my Windows XP. Yeah, so I'll copy this file. This is actually the file that I'm going to use. This is actually a WannaCry malware. Prior to that, let me just just copy to maybe my document. Sorry. So copy the file, Control C to this folder, and I'm going to create a file on my desktop. Perhaps I'll just put my uh, files, and then I create one or two files maybe. Text document test .txt test file, and I'm also going to copy or create uh, a sample Microsoft Word document. So this is a test file, and close. Should be able to see the file. Okay, and I close it, and let's run the malware. So assuming that I have downloaded some files here and I extracted the file, I'll extract the file. This is it has the password. Let me see, infected normally is the password, and it's done. Now, if you look at the file, it looks like Microsoft disk defragmenter. You right click, go to the properties, you see Microsoft disk defragmenter and the version, the company. So it looks legit. Okay, but when you run this, okay, let's run this file. Now maybe I'll just create one new file here, like task uh, or secret, just to see if the secret file would be encrypted or not. Now let's launch the malware. Just double click the malware, and it'll actually create several files on the desktop. In a few moments, you'll see something that will happen. Yep, it'll create some other files. And notice that I'm actually using, yeah, see, I got this one. I'm using a network adapter with a host only connection. So we got this one encrypt. Yeah. Okay, so this is one encrypt. And if you close it, you see, oops, your important files are encrypted. But it looks like my file, see, my file is still there, secret.txt. I'll be, yeah, so once I got this, I'll quickly shut down my PC, or shut down my PC, or maybe just, yeah, shut down my PC quickly. And notice that because I'm running Oracle VM VirtualBox, what I will do is I will get the virtual disk image. It should be located somewhere. Yeah, so I'll just close this. Let's see. So it should be somewhere, because I remember that I keep everything in, yeah, under the VirtualBox VM folder, uh, VirtualBox VMs folder, and then Windows Cuckoo. Now we just need to get the Windows Cuckoo VDI. Yeah, so I'll copy this. So this is the virtual disk used by my Windows XP. So I'm gonna copy this to my, let's say, temporary directory. So just put it somewhere in temp. Just put malware and put here. Copy, paste. It's going to copy the so it's copying the file windows cuckoo.vdi, which is the virtual hard disk of the Windows that have been attacked or infected by the malware. Okay, so we got a file, and the size is about 3 GB. See this one? The size is about 3 GB. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is, in order to restore the affected virtual machine, which could be VMware Workstations machine or VirtualBox machine or even parallel desktop machine, is to run a tool. So I have a tool called Stellar Data Recovery. This is not free. This is a commercial tool, but it's very, very nice. And one of the good features of this Stellar is that it allows you to, it is capable of recovering, deleted files or formatted partitions caused by many different things, including malware. Okay, so just go to the select what to discover, everything, check all, and then this is the feature here. Yeah, so you can actually select virtual machine recovery. Yeah, that will allow you to recover VDI, VDX, VDI, VHD, VHDX, and VMDK runs by or used by many virtualization software like VirtualBox, Oracle VirtualBox, VMware Workstation, VMware Server, and also Hyper-V. So click scan, and all you need to do is go to the directory where you store the image. So just paste this one and point to Windows Cuckoo, the VDI, and that's it. And select mount. Notice that we're able to mount the 10 gigabyte of virtual box virtual disk. Click scan. Yeah, it will automatically search for the uh, partition or anything that allow the software to find the data. So one search completed successfully, one partition found. Click this one and then click scan. See this one, we got standard volume 1 virtual disk partition 9.9 gigabyte, which is about 10, and file system is NTFS. Click scan and just wait. Scanning completed successfully because it's quite small, quite a small disk. And let's look at the folder. Like we got the hmm yeah, we've got file types, standard volume. We got tools, and we have. Let's see if we can actually recover this. Yeah, so we got tools, we got temp, document settings, cuckoo. Okay, too many things. Yeah. Hmm. I don't see the. Yeah, let's just open up the. Let's see. We got Windows, Python. I don't see the folder that I've also created. Yeah. So let's see. So you can do a deep scan if you want. Yeah. And then for the meantime, I'll just shut down this VM. Power up so that we can release some memory. Yeah, so it's gonna take a while to search for the recoverable files. Yeah, it's running. So time left roughly around 17 minutes 25 seconds. So we'll just have to wait for a while. Okay, so while waiting for this for the process to find the recoverable file, I'll stop the video for I mean the recording for the meantime. Yeah, I'll get back to you later. Okay, so after waiting for about 18 minutes, finally scanning completed successfully, and let's see what we got. Hmm. Looks like we don't see anything else. Document, not really that good. Hmm. Okay, so we got some raw data. What else? No, this is not the one I'm looking for. No, go to document settings. Cuckoo. Hmm. My documents. So it looks like it's not actually mm, able to find the correct one, but I can find some raw data here. Yeah, it might be good for me to recover. We got extended lost folders. Okay, so let's try to recover this raw data and also anything inside the lost folders. Okay, select recover. Now you'll need to select and save data to a specific location. So for example here I'll just put on the same folder temp, but I'll just go to the yeah, folder called, I'll create a new recovered folder called recovered, and then select that folder and start saving. Let's just rename the file if it is duplicated. So rename all. Now the good thing with the Stellar Toolkit for data recovery is that it could be able to, there's a possibility that you can actually recover some lost data due to the uh, accidental crash, or maybe formatted partition or deleted partitions, yeah, or deleted volume or partitions. Then you could also try to recover from the malware related you know problem or attack, yeah. So you might find some of the backup file that you have saved earlier prior to the attack of the malware. Okay, so it's gonna take a while for saving the data, so I'm going to pause the video for a while, yeah, for the recording. Just hang on for a while. Okay, while waiting for the data to be saved, then let's open up the directory where I store the recovered files. Let's look at the structure. Go to data, temp, recovered. Now you'll see something like this hash root, and you can see two folders as I have selected here. So two folders, lost folders that has several folders within or underneath, and then we have the raw data. Yeah, so for the meantime I'm still trying to recover the data. Yeah, so anyway, for more information about this software, you can check this the stellar data recovery toolkit, and it has several versions. The one I'm using is actually for business toolkit. So go to the business, select toolkit, and select data recovery toolkit. Yeah. So this software, it is stated that the software is the advanced software trusted by technicians worldwide for recovering lost data from Windows, Mac OS. So it supports Windows, Mac OS, and Linux drive. The tool can recover data loss due to deletion, drive formatting, corruption, lost partition, and system crash. Also might be able to recover data due to the malware or any ransomware related encryption. Yeah, so it is possible, but we have to test. So there's no guarantee. Okay, again, there's no 100% guarantee that you can actually recover the data. Yeah, and the one I've shown you is actually this one, the feature that allows you to recover data from virtual drive, namely VMDK, VDI, VHD, and VHDX format. So the one I was trying to recover was from the VDI, which is normally used by the Oracle VirtualBox, and it supports a lot of different partitions here. Okay, all right. So I hope that this tool will help you on recovering your data. So uh, because the process of recovering the data or saving the data will take a longer time, very long, perhaps 1 or 2 hours, 1 or 2 hours. I'm not sure. Yeah. So I think that's all for today, and I mean for this session. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.